Alright guys, what is up and welcome back to the channel today. So as you can tell by the title, we've got an issue with this truck behind us. So nothing real big, nothing crazy guys. Let's go ahead and walk around to the back of the truck where we got this part laying. We're going to go ahead and show you guys what we're going to get into today. So, turn you guys around here. We're going to be getting into a wheel bearing. So, let me just walk you guys up here and show you real quick what's going to happen. I've already got the truck up and on jack stands. Don't worry guys, those didn't come from Harbor Freight. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but the tires got some up and down play, so if you push on it, you get that play back and forth. Now granted, that is not bad, but it is on its way out. The passenger side has been replaced. I'll go ahead and show you guys over here. And granted, the truck is filthy, but there's no noise and no play. So that's how we know this wheel bearing is definitely on its way out. And guys, the reason why I'm going to go ahead and change that is because don't want to really be driving anywhere and the wheel bearing go out and the old wheel go ka-chow. You know, don't want to pull the old Lightning McQueen mod on them. So we're going to go ahead and get that taken care of. We're going to bring you guys along for the ride, kind of walk you through the process. Hope y'all enjoy, and make sure to click that like and subscribe button. Alright guys, so you just saw, we got the wheel and tire off, got the spacer off. Those are 1.5 inch spacers if you guys were wondering. We're going to go ahead and take the brake caliper off right quick. Go ahead. Alright guys, so we're going to bring you in a little closer right here, get you guys a little closer look. So, as you can tell, of course this is your hub, and there's our rotor right there after we took the caliper off. Got that bad boy tied up like so. Guys, we're going to try and get you in real close here, see if you can't see. So this bolt right here, there's going to be 4 of them, just like that, and they're going to be all around the back side of this hub. And you're also going to have one for the speed sensor right here, a little Allen bolt. Take that out. And you're also going to take your nut out for your axle, and we're going to see if we can get it. I don't think you have to drop this control arm, or this I guess you call it a control arm. I don't think you have to disconnect that, but we're going to see. If you do, no big deal. We're just going to disconnect it, let it swing a little bit so we can get the end of this axle free. Then we're going to replace our bearing. You might have to take your actuator off for the 4-wheel drive, but guys, let me jump into it and see what all we actually do have to take off, and I'll walk you guys through it. Alright guys, so we got this hub off. So you can hear I was kind of talking to my dad a little bit about whether we grease these or not. This is of course just what the bearing looks like from the back side. This is what sits over the axle, and there's what's going to engage your axle shaft, 4-wheel drive or whatnot. But guys, I mean, that's pretty much a straightforward install so far. I can already tell you we got our little speed sensor here all wrapped up. We're going to take this out. That's the only other step, if you guys didn't see, is you're going to have to unplug your speed sensor, which I haven't done it yet. I just need to go ahead and do it. And if you give me just a second guys, let me get this taken care of, and I'll unplug it from up top. And after that, we should have... Alright guys, so as you saw from some of that footage, we got the old one out and we got the new one put in. So let's jump to it and let's look at this new one. And let's kind of just run through, now that we've got everything figured out. So this was my first time doing a wheel bearing. My dad had actually done the other side. Like I said, guys, that was before I ever started the YouTube stuff, or he helped me do the other side, I guess you could say. Anyway, guys, what we're going to talk about is these bolts right here, of course, are going to be on the back side of the hub. All 4 of those. You got 2 up top, 2 down below. You're going to take those out, pull your axle nut off, and this whole hub's just going to slide out. Now, as far as what you got to do to get to this point, like I said, guys, caliper's got to come off. Nothing else has to come off. Nothing else has to be unhooked. The only other thing is you want to make sure you get this speed sensor right here. Of course, the new one comes with a new speed sensor, or I think it's an ABS sensor, but it runs all the way up, and we're going to hook that and run the new one in the same place. This one does come with all the clips and everything, just like the old one, so it looks factory. When you hook that bad boy back up, got the factory clip. No biggie, but yeah, guys, we're just going to pull your caliper off, pull that rotor off, take your tire off, and you're there. You pull that bad boy off, put a new one on, and you're good to go. Now let's take a look at the old one. Nothing, you can't really see anything visibly that says it's bad, other than the fact that it's got a little bit of a wobble to it with a big tire and everything on it. But guys, I mean, that's what they are. That's what you're looking at. But yeah, guys, hope that helps out. And for anybody wondering why I've got the back jacked up, you don't have to do that. I'm actually rotating tires, and that's how I actually found out and noticed that this wheel bearing was bad. But yeah, guys, keep a lookout for the next video. It's going to be on what you should do if you have spacers every 5,000 miles. And guys, hope y'all enjoy. If y'all have any questions, just rewatch the video in reverse for assembly. But yeah, guys, if you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below. Really appreciate you guys. You're doing a great job of supporting the channel, and I really love it. Hope to catch you guys out sometime. Definitely come up and talk to me. We got the Ranger finished up. Look at that bad boy. Got the snorkels on it. But yeah, guys, I hope to definitely make a lot more content with that Ranger. Really hope some more stuff's going to come with the black truck. I know you guys are looking forward to that too. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.